So this is how you can set up an alert box on Overdue on ClickUp. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for ClickUp. Today you will learn how to add an alert whenever your tasks are overdue. So this is pretty simple. Go to the top right of the screen and then tap on your profile and then tap on notification settings. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and choose the notification settings. If you haven't already, you should enable notifications on your browser so that it will notify you whenever your tasks are overdue. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All you have to do is just enable your notifications and then it's going to notify you whenever a task is overdue so that you can be notified and then you can go ahead and do your task before your employer gets mad or something. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.